There's a lot of talk about creating artwork from artificial intelligence at the moment. DALL-E 2 from OpenAI and Google Imagine are both competing to be the frontrunner in the text-to-image space. Let's take a look at what DALL-E 2 is able to do. Have you ever seen a polar bear playing bass? Or a robot painted like a Picasso? Didn't think so. DALL-E 2 is a new AI system from OpenAI that can take simple text descriptions like a koala dunking a basketball and turn them into photorealistic images that have never existed before. DALL-E 2 can also realistically edit and retouch photos. Based on a simple natural language description, it can seamlessly overlay part of an image with AI-generated imagery. This technology is advancing very quickly, and with every research paper comes more and more developments. But these technologies aren't available to the general public yet. So I had a look at what could be used now. And there are actually quite a few options, from OpenAI DALL-E Mini to ArtBreeder. I used an application called Night Cafe Studio, inputted some business and sports terms, and had some fascinating results. Take a look. This is the AI interpretation of England football players. This is Harry Kane. This is what was created from Marketing Future, using our logo as the starting point. And this is what comes up when no starting image is used and the future of marketing is given to the AI. Finally, this is a strange one to really test it. A tall man playing football on a field with a lighthouse and fire in the background. Make of that what you will. There are certainly some interesting creations here, and you can even evolve them if you want to. Some of these images look cool, but I'm not convinced that the technology open to the public is usable for businesses, especially if it's for anything remotely technical. What do you think? What impact will this have on business, marketing, and NFT? Let me know what you think in the comments below.